This is Duke University.
And so next up we have Catherine Krieger's Google Earth's role in marine conservation through biologging. So this is an article that documents the role that the global technology provided by Google Earth's spatial imaging layers, these KLMs, they can serve the role that they can serve for marine conservation. Her literature review charts the existing intersections of biologging research with a particular communication technology, and then also at the same time offers practical recommendations for possible future Google Earth layers. So Dr. Christine Erlien, a lecturing fellow in the Thompson-Reading program, taught this course, Google Earth's Impact. Apparently I can't say Google Earth. Google Earth's Impact. And so I believe she is here to speak just a little bit about Kat's essay.
So our course focused on questions concerning the use and display of satellite imagery and geographical data layers in Google Earth. We talked about the privacy and security debates associated with the program's use and applications of Google Earth's imagery in a range of scenarios from humanitarian crises to education, business, and science. Kat's project, this literature review, chose to focus on a marine science issue, and her project illustrates the variety of skills students learn or develop more deeply through Writing 20. For example, the project required that the review be prepared for an educated audience, but an audience that wasn't necessarily familiar with Google Earth or how its applications contribute to a particular field. So Kat indicated her attentiveness to audience in how she uses the introduction to both educate her reader about biologging as well as this software, Google Earth. The body of her paper shows Kat's ability to make effective use of library resources as she navigates the literature on the topic, combining both primary and secondary sources in her description and analysis of Google Earth's application to biologging. Kat also, importantly, moves beyond summary to synthesize the work she read and the software layers that she reviewed. For example, she illustrates synthesis when she makes assessments as to which layers in Google Earth make prominent use of biologging and which less so. Another skill Kat illustrates in this paper is the ability to determine gaps or needs in the field after having surveyed the literature. When Kat indicates in her conclusion that there are currently no data on Google Earth demonstrating the deleterious effects humans have on marine animals' habitats, she underscores the point that while the animal locations themselves are important, the public would be even better served by pairing this location data with additional contextual information, such as sea level temperature or sea temperature or marine debris, for example. In doing so, she opens up the conversation to her readers, doing the essential, important work of a review by indicating how others may begin to contribute their own work on the topic. So, thanks, Kat. It was really enjoyable.